Been calling the Bahamas over and over and over. I ain't getting no response. I left him an email message. I had a call back, tell him to go check his junk box and see what the email message is going into. I need to know what's going on. My whole family in this insurance, I'm in the insurance, my daughter's in the insurance, and I've been talking to people to put them in the insurance and still can't get no answers from them.
They were outraged that it took more than 3 months for officials from the Office of the Turks and Caicos Islands Financial Services Commission and liquidator of CLICO Insurance, Craig T. Gomez, to address their concerns. At a meeting this morning, policyholders expressed panic as they were told to continue making premiums or lose out on their health, life, and mortgage insurances. Those who attended the town hall-style meeting were frustrated at the seemingly lack of communication between CLICO insurance officials and policyholders, and why local officials failed to address the issue at the start of the company's financial headaches.
CLICO Bahamas closed its door. We as persons insured with CLICO Bahamas had no office to go to pay our premiums, and they just only came to Turks and Caicos Islands this very late date. That was very, very upsetting.
The liquidated company owes more than $2 million in unpaid claims to Turks and Caicos Islands policyholders and announced its insolvency state in late January. More than 200 local residents have been affected by the bankrupt company, and more than 29,000 policyholders in the region are waiting until the end of May to know the fate of past insurance payments when liquidators are due to sell off the, quote, defunct company. Kevin Higgs of the Turks and Caicos Islands Financial Services Commission say they will probe the possible buyers of CLICO Insurance to ensure that the next company which takes over is dependable.
Any company that wishes to purchase the portfolio in Turks and Caicos will be investigated, and they will have to be qualified and licensed by the FSC.
During the meeting, it was settled that an office will soon open to address inquiries and facilitate the needs of policyholders. It was also stated that 4 companies, Colonial Insurance, British American Insurance, Family Guardian, and Atlantic Medical, have all put forth their bids to purchase the CLICO Insurance Company. Craig T. Gomez told those who were at the meeting that he will make the preliminary decision on who takes over the assets of CLICO Insurance at the end of May.
As you know, we have a very difficult situation, and while obviously for each policyholder their policy is of ultimate importance, CLICO is a large company with many policyholders, and so they took the time to come down and meet with policyholders, and we hope they've satisfied some of their concerns and at least explained to them the process, because now they have an idea of what's to come in the future.
While residents were reassured that they will not fail to benefit from their claims, questions relating to what will happen once the new company takes over also arose. Questions such as, will payments defer and will policies change? For WIV4 News, I'm Angie Toussaint.